You're out there, you're scrolling and you're looking for something, and you're at the right place. I want to invite you to come and look in depth into my business. It's an online opportunity. That is the way the world is going in any way. You buying stuff from, companies online, and you are hereby invited to dig into my business. I will give you footage, PDF files, any kind of material on WhatsApp if you want to find out more about this business. And I will show you how many people there are in. I will show you proof of the 30 millionaires that are in South Africa already in just over 2 years. The only thing that needs to be decided is, are you part of this or not? Are you going to get involved in the online space or not? It's not debatable if it works, people can make money out of it. That is already been established, and there's 60,000 people worldwide. It's an international opportunity. It pays you in US dollars. You get 100% commission. So the only thing that needs to be determined is your part in this, and how we can help you to get yourself established within this business. So ask the right questions. Make sure that when you get material that you see the same person, the same face, the same voice on the other end of the line, and that's how you know you're dealing with a person and not some kind of bot. So let me help you. Let me get you all the facts, and that way you can make an informed decision.